In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product filtering in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have clear, easy-to-use filters on your collection pages so your customers can quickly find exactly what they're looking for. Let's start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the small drop-down that appears, choose the option for apps. In the search field, type Search and Discovery and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open results from the Shopify App Store. Look for the official Shopify Search and Discovery app. Then click into it and install the app. Follow the installation prompts Shopify gives you until the app is fully added to your store. Once the installation finishes, you'll be taken into the Search and Discovery dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with several options under the Search and Discovery heading. Click on the option that says Filters. Here, you'll see your current list of filters. By default, Shopify usually includes availability and price. To add more filters, go to the top right of this list and click Add Filter. Then click Select Source. You'll now see the filter sources you can use, such as brand, category, fabric material, or other product attributes you've set up. Choose whichever source you want to turn into a filter. The filter label will be filled in automatically based on what you choose, but you can edit the label if you want it to display differently to customers. When you're happy with your choices, click Save near the top of the page, close to the search bar. Now that your filters exist, you need to enable them on your storefront. Go back to the left panel of your Shopify admin and click Online Store. Under your current theme, click the option to edit the theme to open the theme editor. At the top of the theme editor, you'll find a page selector, which is usually set to the homepage by default. Click this selector, then choose Collections, and then click Default Collection. This opens the layout used for your collection pages. On the left side, under the template structure for this collection page, click on Product Grid to open its settings. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Filtering and Sorting. Turn on the toggle for filters, then choose the layout you prefer, horizontal, vertical, or draw. While you're here, turn on the toggle for sorting as well, so customers can sort by things like price or newest products. Look at the preview on the right side of the editor, and you should now see your filters displayed above or beside the product grid, depending on the layout you chose. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner to publish these changes to your store.